You're probably tired of hearing people say your business needs to be on social media without giving you any specifics as to what that means. Yeah, we're guilty of this too, but to make up for it, we've compiled a list of social media sites that you should try if you're not already using them. First, Facebook. It's been around for a while and reported an average of 2.5 billion monthly active users in December of 2019. Not million, billion. Also in 2019, Facebook held over 80% of the US social referral share to e-commerce sites, meaning people are clicking through Facebook and landing in a place where they can make a purchase. Managing a Facebook page for your business is pretty straightforward. You can share text updates, images, videos, collect reviews, and interact with people who comment on your posts. This is essential to form relationships with your target audience. In addition, Facebook is an excellent tool for advertising. With Facebook ads, you can choose from a variety of ad types like video ads, slideshow ads, and photo ads. You also have access to really specific targeting options like people's interests or even life events. That includes people who just got married or had a baby and share their life events on Facebook. Next up is Instagram, which is owned by Facebook. The two platforms are pretty similar. Both allow you to share photos and videos, including live videos, have TV features, and let users share temporary updates in the form of a story. Also like Facebook, Instagram is an important platform for engaging with your audience, and it has over 1 billion accounts you can potentially engage with. You can share content created by fans of your brand and interact with people who have interacted with you. The advertising options are just as good as Facebook's. You can target people by specific things like their interests, behaviors, or create your own audience list based on the information you've collected. I don't want to say you can't go wrong with Instagram just because it's very visual and might not be right for every business. But there are a lot of businesses that have seen success on the platform. It really depends on things like your industry and your target audience. The third social media site I want to discuss is LinkedIn. LinkedIn has over 660 million users, and it's not just for people on the hunt for a new job. Yes, LinkedIn is good for recruiting potential applicants. You can really show off your culture, your knowledge, and your accomplishments to entice potential applicants. But that's not all you can do. LinkedIn is a platform of business professionals, so if your business is B2B, you can tap into potential leads and sales by posting about your products and services. LinkedIn also offers advertising options, and you can target people based on their company information, like titles, fields of study, and industry. With access to targeting capabilities like that, you know it can be an advertising powerhouse for B2B. Okay, next is Twitter. Hashtag WebFX, hashtag follow us, hashtag shameless plugs. But seriously, Twitter reports an average of over 150 million daily active users who can see ads on the platform. Like the other platforms, you can share text updates, photos, and videos, with a character limit of course. Twitter's fast-paced nature makes it a great platform for establishing brand authority and giving quick company updates. Twitter also has its own advertising options with the ability to target people based on their tweets, who they follow, or even their interests. Hashtag next platform. Number 5 on this list is Pinterest. Pinterest is like a digital vision board that 250 million people use every month. It's a really big vision board. If your business sells products online, Pinterest is a great place to put them. People can pin them to their boards and even have the option of shopping right from the platform. You can also use Pinterest to advertise your business and target people based on their interests, keywords they search, and more. Finally, and this is a personal favorite of mine, YouTube. People watch more than 1 billion hours of video each day on YouTube. Having an active YouTube channel can really benefit your business. You can share your industry knowledge, give people a behind-the-scenes look at your business, introduce your team, show off your products, and interact with users who engage with your videos. YouTube also has a variety of advertising options. Since Google owns YouTube, you have a bunch of different targeting options for your ads like demographics, interests, and remarketing. Totally tubular. Thankfully, I've run out of puns, so this is the end of our video. To stay up to date on the latest in digital marketing, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell, and head over to our website to sign up for our Rev Weekly newsletter.